Google is giving all these facts completely free of cost and hardly very few people know about it. Yes, you heard it right. Free Google swags like hoodies, t-shirts, gimbals and bags, all worth 50,000 completely free of cost. And no, this is not a giveaway. People are actually getting these delivered to their homes. No payments, no referrals, no tricks, just simple tasks which you have to complete and you'll be getting all these swags completely free of cost. So the most important thing is that before you skip, the opportunity is open for everyone. There is no upper age limit. Okay. There is no degree required, no coding skills required. Means even if you are a school student or college student, you can apply for this opportunity. Or whether you are retired also, then also you can apply for this opportunity. The most important question regarding degree is that whether you are having a BTech degree, a BA degree, or even a MA degree, then also you can participate. There is no age limit, there is no degree limitation. And the most important thing here, you need not to learn about coding. Means even if you are a beginner who don't know anything about coding, then also you can participate in this opportunity. Now, what is this opportunity? Let me just tell you. We are talking about the Google Cloud Arcade program, which is currently live for the May month. And here, what is Google Cloud Arcade? A lot of you might be thinking. So it is a gamified learning platform by Google team. Okay, instead of boring theories, you complete hands-on tasks known as labs, and every time you complete a lab, you get closer to a particular badge. And when you complete that particular badge, you get some arcade points, which you can use to just redeem the swags. The most important thing is that why it is addictive. Okay, you are just not watching the lectures. Here you are doing actual things. You are launching cloud projects. You are using GCP resources. You are creating a cloud storage products and different things over here. Like you are interacting with the BigQuery, creating AI agents completely free of cost. Now here in this video, we'll cover everything step by step, how to do the registration, how to do all the steps. As a beginner, I'll cover everything. And the most important thing, if you want to know how we can do it with mobile, you can just comment down below. I'll make a detailed video for that also, so that people who are not having laptop or system, they can participate with mobile and tablet also. So first of all, here we are in the arcade homepage. You can see these are different types of badges which you are seeing. These are known as arcade games. Okay. And inside these arcade games, if I just click on start over here, you'll find there are some labs. Right? There are some labs. When you complete these labs, you get the badge done and you'll be getting the arcade point. But before moving deep into it, first of all, let's complete the registration process and then we'll move forward each thing step by step. So you have to just open skills.google on a new tab, and after that you have to simply click on join over here. Now if you have participated in January in 2026, then you can use the same account. There is no restriction here. You can use the same account till December, because the arcade program is now till December running. Okay. Now, another thing is that if you are having different accounts, like you participate in the Gen Army Epic Edition or maybe in Prompt Wars also, so I'll suggest just use a different account. Even in Study Jam also, just use a fresh account for creation. If you are participating from just now, just use a fresh account over here, so that everything is corrected. And even if they launch some new challenges, you'll be able to complete it. Now, here we have two options, that is continue with Google, continue with email and password. If you click on continue with email and password, here you have to enter your first name, last name. If you don't have a last name, just type NA over here. Okay. Then enter the company name. In company name, you can just mention your name or just type NA also, and then just save it. Password and date of birth. Now here, most important thing, as I said, that anyone can participate in this amazing opportunity. But here is a catch. For creation, as you know, the legal age of Indian participants is 18 years of age. Okay. So you need to at least enter date of birth worth 18, means which is 18 plus. Okay. You can enter your parents' date of birth, okay, parents' name, friend's name, relatives' name. Okay. I want to say, while registration process, here the date of birth must be 18 plus. So you can either increase the year, or you can do one more thing, like you can register under your parents' name. Okay. Do not worry about it. You'll be able to claim the swags very easily. Most important thing is that. Now here we are using the simple method continue with Google, so that our data is directly fetched from our Gmail account. Okay. Now after that, we have to simply enter the date of birth. So wait for it. First of all, now here just select your date of birth, and then I'm not a robot. If it asks for captcha, you have to select it, like whatever it asks, select traffic lights or maybe a zebra crossing. After that, if I accept is not working, like if I click on I accept, it is working mostly, then you have to just scroll down and then click on I accept. So after I accept, chances are there, if you are redirected to this particular page, it will look like this. You have to simply click on join over here. In case you are not seeing this thing also, then no need to worry about it. just click on join. And if you're not seeing it, just ignore it. Okay, because this is not required. Now close it. From here, just go to the profile and settings. See, sometimes what happens if you have directly opened from here. For example, I clicked on start over here. Then you'll be redirected over here to the dashboard. Okay. From here, you can navigate to the main dashboard directly by clicking on the dashboard. Now from here, first thing we have just created the account. Now we have to just go to our profile, then settings. Then after that, just click on make profile public and update the settings. So we have done the first part, that is the creation of the account, but we are not registered in the arcade platform. For that, just come to the arcade homepage, click on subscribe here, and make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video too. Now here you have to enter the email. Which email we have to enter? This email. Just copy it carefully with which we have created the account, paste it and click on next. Now here they have mentioned some of the rules, out of which important is that you cannot create multiple accounts if you are from these countries. Socks won't be delivered. If you want to get it delivered, you have to just ship it to other countries which are not listed over here. Here, while claiming the swags, you can use only one mobile number. Means if you are thinking that you'll create multiple accounts using different mobile numbers, you can claim the swags. Then chances are there, if the system detects multiple accounts, your order will be cancelled. Now here another query may arise that a lot of you might be having siblings or maybe friends who will participate in the same region. So while placing the order, you need to be careful. Like while placing the order, you can just mention that your relative's house or maybe your hostel address or maybe your own address, slight modification you have to do. As of now, you don't have to worry about the price counter because it will be opening very soon, mostly in the end of the season. That is mostly in December, right? So as of now, you don't have to do anything over here. Just click on yes, yes, and submit. In simple words, they have clearly mentioned that I am eligible for one package. Means even if you participate with multiple details, then you'll be eligible for only one package. They'll just filter your details, including the mobile number, email address, and name and address combination. So while placing the order, you need to be little bit careful. Otherwise, your swags will be cancelled. For that, I'll make a dedicated video. Do not worry about it. As of now, we are doing the registration process. So after that, simply click on submit over here. Now, once you have submitted, how to verify that this form is submitted and will be getting inside an email or not? So once you have filled all the details, okay, you'll get this mail. Means this is just a copy of that particular form. You'll find in spam section if it is not visible on inbox. That means you are subscribed. Means you have filled this particular form. Means you are registered in this platform. Now coming over here, you can see all these badges are there, which are known as arcade games. Now how to complete these badges? First thing I'll suggest, if we expressive efficiency. Okay, this badge you have to avoid because they have mentioned if you have done from January to June, then only you'll be getting the points over here. But here other games we are getting the arcade points. So if you are starting just now, okay, then you can just skip this first game. First game, note, work, meet, play, whatever badge. Sometimes they just change the place value. Okay, means sometimes it comes down also, sometimes it comes at the bottom also. So just avoid the work, meet, play badges as of now if you're starting from now onwards. Now from here, how to join the game? Just click on start over here. From here, you can see the access code is here. Copy it. Now just click on join this game, paste the access code and just join over here. Once you have joined carefully, okay, now let's enter the details. So here it's asking for player name. If you want to mention, you can mention it and add a profile picture also. But I don't require, so I'm just submitting it directly. Now it is successfully set over here. Now here are some key details you need to understand. You can see this is the start date and time and this is the end date and time. Okay. And this is the number of days remaining and number of slots remaining. So the game started mostly on 4th of May around 6:23 p.m. and it will be ending on 31st of May. Okay, it will be ending on 31st of May. So you have how many days remaining? 26 days remaining. So it will be updating over here. Now here you can see number of spots. Okay, spots you can just consider at is that spots you can consider as the seats. Okay, like in the previous program, or if you have booked any of the train ticket, you must have booked or reserved a particular seat. Similarly for occupying, like we joined this particular game, you can see we are having 1810 rank. So we are occupying in this particular game a particular seat over here. So sometimes this spot changes to 0. At the time of making this particular video, there are multiple spots. So I'll suggest just by creating all the accounts, just join all these games one by one. Okay, the process is same. You have to click on start, copy it, and then just join it. And you can complete all the labs later on. There is no issue. But first of all, just join all the games over here. Now, how to complete all the labs? You can see here we have 4 for 8 labs total. So you have to simply open it. You can see the first lab is there. Just open it like this. Here they have mentioned the instructions also, like what we have to do, how to set the region, zone, how to create the cluster, how to create the VPC network, all things they have mentioned. You have to simply click on start lab over here. And after that, you have to just open the console incognito window and perform all the steps. So you have to just right click over here, open the link incognito window. Okay. And perform all the steps over here. Here are the user details if it asks. Okay. As of now, I'm not doing this lab because I've already made the solution. How to find the solution? If you come to the channel directly, you can see in the channel playlist, we have all the videos listed over here. All the videos are listed over here. You can watch these videos and understand about the program completely free of cost. Okay. Now, the most important thing you need to understand that after watching all these videos, how we have to access the resources if you want to access the resources on single place, because sometimes you face some issues while seeing the videos in the channel. So let me just show you the master sheet. This is the master sheet. Here you will find all the things. So you have to click on arcade monthly games. So if you want to know more about this program in Hindi also, you can see we have a Hindi guide and English guide also. You can watch it and understand about the program. Now here in the monthly games, you can see on the left side all the badges are there, and on the right side the solution guide is there. Just click on the playlist. You'll find all the solutions over here. You won't face a single issue over here. Just complete all the things completely free of cost. Now once you have understood each and everything, you have to just do what you have to do. First of all, let me just show you a demo. We have to first of all open any of the badges, like you joined this particular badge. Now what you have to do, you have to just click on this particular lab, start the lab. You can just follow the lab instruction. If you want a video guide, this lab is of this batch, that is name is Adventure Modern App Development. Okay, so from here you can see Adventure. This is the badge name. On the right side the solution is there. Just open it. Now whatever lab you have opened, you have to watch it and complete all these things one by one. All these labs you have to complete one by one. Okay, if you face any issue, you can comment down below. I'll try to answer all your queries one by one. Okay. So like this, you have to complete all the labs and you'll be able to get the badge. Now, once you get the badge, how to actually claim the swag? So you need to understand, after completing all the badges, you get some arcade points. But just by completing the May games, you won't be able to get the swags. So for that, what you need to do, you have to complete the challenges till December. Okay. Because the arcade price counter is now changed from 6 months to whole year. So you have to complete every month fresh games will be live. Like in May, then May, after May, they will be June, July, August, September. Like this, it will be till December. You'll be able to claim the swags. Now the point system is now simpler. Now for every game, we get one arcade point, and below it, they are mentioned clearly. Skill badges we have to avoid. Whenever the skill badges we have to complete, I'll update you. In the arcade facilitator program, currently it is not live. Okay. You have to complete all these badges. You'll be having sometimes they have mentioned how much time is remaining. 26 days are remaining. So I'll suggest first of all join all the games. Now coming over here, how you'll count your points. The counting of points is very simple, but you'll be getting a monthly statement, that is Arcade Insider email every month. Whenever the mail will be live, you'll be able to find everything over there. How to just count your points, all the details will be there. So from there you can count the points also. Now coming over here to the swags claim process. So when the price counter will open, you'll be getting an email with all the details where you have to enter your address. Once you enter the address, then your swags will be delivered to your home at no cost, means completely free of cost over there. Okay. Now the most important thing, if you still have any doubts you want to understand in detail, I've covered everything in detail in English. Okay. You can watch this video also, and in Hindi also we have covered everything in detail. So from these videos you'll be able to understand each and everything. I have covered that thing also. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.